Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you what I'm doing for planning this year. Now I couldn't go out and buy a new planner, I couldn't buy inserts and all that kind of stuff for my planner. So I decided to use a notebook that I already had and make my own, my style. And I'm also trying to use up things that I have, and paper is one I have a lot of. And if you've seen my intro Sunday to the collaboration I'm doing with Deb Howe, you will understand I have even more 12 by 12 pads than the 6 by 6 that I have. So I have decided to use this one. It's called Butterfly Blooms. And it was one of the hot buys from Michael's. I have no idea when it was out. I'm pretty sure it wasn't last year, but I'm not sure. Anyway, so I decided to use this for my planner to make some things out of. And then I'm just using some little stickers and stuff that I have. This is faith-based. And I've been using my gel pens because I want to make this kind of a bullet journal, but kind of regular. So I had this paperless notebook like this here that I got from the Target dollar spot probably 2 or 3 years ago. And I decided to make this my planner. Now, little did I know that the holes in some of the papers that I have would not fit. So, I had to make a lot of things, and this is why it took me so long to get it finished. But what I did was I just took the notebook and I cut this little thing out of the paper pad, and then I wrote 3 little things on it, what my planner is about. Pray, plan, persevere. Persevere is my word for the year. In case you didn't know, every year I have a word for a year, a theme for a year. And this year is persevere or perseverance. And so I just put that on there, and then I took these really pretty fabric flowers that were gifted to me by Nora Dunlap, and I put those on there. And then I had this like little Chinese braid, the little tiny one and the bigger one, and I just put it like that, and I did put it all the way around. And then this already came with a little strap to hold it closed. So what I did was, I'm going to put something over here. I just haven't decided what. This is from the paper line, and I just wrote January. I had gotten some little Dollar Tree calendars that I am going to put on these, but I haven't got a chance to do that yet. But I just went ahead and cut this to fit, measured the holes, and then cut it out. It did come with a few inserts, like this one right here, and that's how I measured the holes. I also made another one. Like I said, I haven't gotten everything together yet. It's a little small, so I'm not sure I'm going to be able to put the whole year in here at one time. But that's what I did. And then on this side, I just put some little stickers that I had. Now here's how I'm setting my notebook up. This is just paper that actually came with this. No, it did not come with this. I had this, but it actually fit this type. Because this paper actually came from Target. And so this was from last week. And how I set this up is, I'm just days. I'm just using my pens to write the days in, make my little bullet notes or whatever. So what I have on here is my word, and I put that on the very first day, persevere. And then I write down, every day has a positive comment. This one says, a new year, a new start. And then over here I have my menu just for dinner at night. I have another little notebook or another little thing that I plan my meals in. And then over here, this one says, keep working. Keep working. Eventually there will be light. And then I put this one of stickers, he is my salvation. So this was last week, and then I had it wrapping up was on Sunday. I didn't finish writing that out yet. Count your blessings. I am his and he is mine, from 1 Corinthians. So this is starting this week. And so I have my whole week written out. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I really don't have a lot written on there yet. So like my little statement for this week is His grace is sufficient, and I need to be reminded of that. I am a child of God, and then let me love whoever crosses my path today. And this one says, create a pure heart in me, O Lord. And then the one that I have for Friday says, I'm reading upside down. Difficult roads often lead to beautiful destinations. I love that one. And then this one says, travel light, live light, be the light, and then share the light. And so, now that's this part of my journal. Now, a while back, it's been a long time, I had gotten this right here. It is a devotional journal, pages and stuff, and it came from Hobby Lobby. It was on their clearance thing, and I got it. But the holes would not fit this. They were just off a little bit. So what I had to do with all of these was take my paper trimmer and trim them down a bit. I took some washi tape, went over the old holes, and punched new holes in them. And there was like 12 sets, 24 pages. So basically, this is for a whole month. And I just write down my prayer list. What does this say? Anywhere, answered prayers, scripture references that I use, reminders, and then notes. And then on these 2 pages, 3 or 4 pages right here, it has notes that I can write in and for the whole month. And so I'm picking out like just a whole section of scripture each month to concentrate on that. But I love the little scriptures down here. It says, who do you believe Jesus to be? Do you believe he holds the power to affect certain difficult issues in your life? Identify where you have been helped and I didn't know what this, involved with him. And then on the back side, it didn't have anything. And on this side, it's just notes. And it says, for I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you a hope and a future. Jeremiah 29:11. So then this is one of the things in here. I'm not sure I'm leaving this in here because I'm not too hip on that bright yellow. But then this is what I have for each month. The notebook paper, I have the folders, paper, and then my scripture studies. And so I still need to make a few in here like these right here. So it's a work in progress, but and I need to go trim some of this washi on some of my little sticker things that they're just cut a little long, so it makes it hard to turn. So I got to finish that up. But that is what I'm doing. This is journaling my way. And it's something that I might keep up with. Oh, yes. And I said when I made this grateful journal right here for the month of November, I said I was going to be doing a grateful journal every month. I didn't get to that one for January, but I am planning on making one for February. But what I did in here, I had these little stickers from my book, and it says, today I am grateful for. And each day I'm writing down one thing that I'm grateful for that day. And I ran out of stickers, so I just wrote different things on these lines. Grateful, So every day I'm recording at least one thing that I'm grateful for. So that is my planner journal, study book, Bible study book, everything all in one. So let me know what you think about it. And traditional planners and decorating and all that kind of stuff. I did it for a while when I first started, and then I would just forget about it or not do it. And I want to be able to use my planner. I want to be able to use it to help me. So this is a way that I think that I can do it, and it's something that I already had. And so I'm very grateful for that. I already had this, and I'm making it work just by redoing sheets that don't fit And I may actually go in here and add another sheet to each month. I don't know, but yeah, I think this will be really helpful to me. But when I finish it up for good, I'll show it to you. I don't know that I'll be sharing Plan With Me every week because I'm not going to be decorating it a whole lot. It's not going to be like, Happy Planner and stickers and everything all over it. So maybe once a month I'll show you the month or whatever. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please go ahead and stay with us. Hit that subscribe button down there. And when the bell comes, tap the all in the drop down menu, and that way you can see all my videos. Now I do have another video coming out for you this week on Thursday. It's a new little series that I am starting, so I hope you will join me for Thursday daytime and then Thursday evening for Thursday Night Live, where we'll be doing a special project. Thank you so much, and I will see you all later. Bye.